Welcome children. Today we are going to learn illustration 20. The following is a summary of cash transaction of Delhi Literary Club for the year end 31st March 2019. Delhi Literary Club. They are given some detail about the receipt and payment account. So this is a book of Delhi Literary Club. So accounts closed on 31st March 2019. So we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. They are given some detail about the receipt and payment account of Delhi Literary Club. So first they are given an opening cash in hand. Opening cash in hand normally if they are not given a capital fund, then we have to open a opening balance sheet. For that we have to take on this one. And entrance fees, the entrance fees is the income side. We have to show this amount, income and expenditure account. Subscription also income and expenditure account, income side. Life membership fees, liability. This one is a fund, capital fund. So this amount we have to show on the liability of balance sheet. Then interest received on fixed deposit, interest received on fixed deposit also income and expenditure, income side. Then here the sale of furniture. I already told you in income and expenditure account, normally if you purchase and purchase and sales is a capital expenditure and capital income. So basically we are not the capital income, we are capital expenditure, we are not shown on the income and expenditure account. But here the sale of furniture. Sale of furniture means here the book value is 25,000 but their selling price is 22,500. Book value is 25,000. 25,000 worth furniture they sell at 22,500. That means 25,000 is a book value. They are selling 22,500. That means less than the book value. This is a book value. Selling price is less than a book value, so it is a loss. The original value of furniture is 25,000. 25,000 furniture they are selling only at 22,500. What is the difference? 25,000 minus 22,500. 2,500 is the loss. So this loss we have to show on a liability side of income, and if it is a profit then we have to show on the income side. If it is a loss then we have to show on the expenditure side. So the different 2,500, this amount we have to show on the expenditure side. Then payment, rent and rates, income and expenditure expenses account. Literary fees also expenditure. Sundry expenses expenditure. Fixed deposit asset. Then balance cash in hand, this amount also we have to show on the asset. By in balance sheet we have to show this amount. Then additional information also they are given. At the beginning of year, the club possessed book worth 20,000 and furniture 40,000. So beginning the year the club possessed book worth 20,000. Book also asset, furniture also asset. So furniture 40,000. In beginning they have 40,000 worth furniture and 20,000 worth book. Then B, subscription received in advance during the current year amount 1,000 rupees. Subscription received in advance during the current year. That means the previous year they are receiving 1,000 rupees for current year. So last year they received 1,000 rupees for current year. So this amount also they are given here. Subscription received in advance during the current year amount. Prepare income and expenditure account of the club for the year ending 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on the date. So this is information. These are all the information they are given. So based on that, one more thing, one more important point we are missing here. If you read the sum beginning to end, there is no capital fund they are given. There is no capital fund they are given. If sometimes if they are not given a capital fund, then we have to open a opening balance sheet to find out a capital fund. So you must open a opening balance sheet for find out the opening capital fund. So you must find out the capital fund through the opening balance sheet. If you want to open an opening balance sheet, all the opening informations we have to taken. I already told you 1 year closing, next year will be a opening thing. 1 year closing, next year will be opening. So beginning, whatever the things they are given, we have to consider to open a opening balance sheet. For example, cash in hand opening, we have to consider to take prepare opening balance sheet. Then beginning of the year, the club possesses a book 20,000 and 40,000 worth. 40,000 furniture, 20,000 book. These two things also we have to take into asset side. We have to show this amount to find out the capital fund. Then there is no liability because subscription received in advance during the current year amount 1,000. So this is subscription. If subscription received in advance in the sense next year, for example 2000 this year year end is 2019. So 2020 amount if you are receiving this current year, then this amount we have to show on the liability side. Here this is a current year. So subscription received in advance during the current year amount 1,000. This amount we are not shown in the liability side. So only three asset, only one is cash in hand beginning and beginning of the book and beginning of set book and furniture. These three item only we are going to show on the opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. Only three items there. If any liability, then we have to show the liability side. In this sum, they don't give any liability. So only three assets they are given. So you have to add all the three assets. Then the amount we have to show on both the side. That is a different. So this is the value. That value we have to consider as a capital fund. After that, we are going to open an income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure account, we have only expenditure, we have only one adjustment, that is a loss and sale of furniture. So furniture is 25,000, but the book value is 25,000, but their selling price is 22,500. So it is a loss, though the different 2,500 only, this amount only you have to show on the expenditure side. Then subscription. B. Subscription received in advance during the current year amount 1,000 rupees they are given. So subscription received in advance during the current year amount in the sense this year we are receiving subscription. This is for this subscription for 2020 subscription we are receiving now. So what is the current year? Current year is 18 to 19. That means April 18 to March 2019 is a current year. So future years 19 to 20. So this one is 20th subscription we are receiving in 19. So future year subscription we are receiving 19. So this amount we have to show on the current liability, not opening balance sheet. Current year balance sheet only we have to show this amount on liability side. So if you go through this problem, there is no capital fund they are given. So we must open a capital fund for preparing a opening balance sheet. While you want to open opening balance sheet, we use all the opening information related to the opening information we have to consider. For example, to balance V by D cash in hand beginning we have to take an then if you go through this problem, they are given a beginning year of club process book worth 20,000 and furniture worth 40,000. These two items also we have to consider as to open a opening balance sheet. So only in this sum, if you go through the sum, there is no liability, beginning liabilities. So only three assets they are given. So you must add all the three assets. That is that value is considered as a capital fund. If it is a if they are given any liability, then we have to find out the different. That means the asset, compare the asset and liability. If there is any different, that considered as a capital fund. But in this sum there is no capital fund, so there is no capital liability. So we have to take add all the three assets. If you add all the three assets, we get some value. That value is capital fund in this problem. Then thereafter we have to prepare the income and expenditure account. income and expenditure account, rate and rates, rent and rates, lecturer fees, sundry expenses. These are all the expenditure. Another one is loss on sale of furniture. So already I told you sale of furniture 22,500 they are given. What is the book value? Book value is 25,000. That means the worth of furniture is 25,000. 25,000 worth furniture they are selling at only 22,500. So what is the difference? 25,000 minus 22,500. The 2,500 is the difference. So this difference is called a loss because book value is 25,000. You are selling less than the book value, so it is a loss. If you are selling more than a book value, it is a profit. If it is a profit, then you have to show this amount on a income side. If it is a loss, you must show this amount on a expenditure side. So in this 20th problem, we are getting a loss, so we have to show this amount on a liability side. Then as usual, income side entrance fees they are given. Then subscription they are given 46,000. Subscription received in advance during the current year amount. So current year they are received subscription for future year. Future year subscription they are receiving here. So if they are receiving any future year subscription or if you receive any outstanding subscription for previous year, that we have to minus from the subscription. Current year subscription only we have to add from the subscription. So here received in advance during the current year for future year. So we are going to minus this 1,000 rupees from subscription. Then as usual interest received in a fixed deposit also they are given. This amount also we have to show on the income side. Then we as usually we have to prepare the balance sheet, liability, asset, capital fund. After finding the capital fund, we have to show this capital fund and add if any expenditure, if any surplus in the sense we have to add from the capital fund. If any deficit, we have to minus from the capital fund. Then life membership, that means any special fund if they are given in the sense we have to add the special fund, and if any expenses related to the special fund we have to minus the expenses. If any income related to the special fund we have to add the income on the special fund amount. Then furniture, furniture for original value at the beginning they have a 40,000 worth furniture. Out of a total furniture value is 40,000. In the beginning they have a 40,000 worth furniture. Out of 40,000 only 25,000 furniture only they are selling to another person. So remaining 15,000 is there. So this amount we have to, the remaining balance we have to show on the asset side, because I already told you all the closing informations only we have to enter in the balance sheet. So book closing also the same value 20,000 is there, so same value we have to show on the asset side also. Then fixed deposit, cash in hand. So all the closing information we have to enter in the balance sheet. Balance sheet must tally. So now we are going to prepare the income. Before income and expenditure account, we are going to find out the capital fund to prepare a opening balance sheet. For that I am going to prepare the solution. So let's prepare the solution. Now illustration 20, page number 66, find out the capital fund opening balance sheet should be prepared. In the books of Delhi Literary Club, balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. So debit side, left hand side DR, liability, amount column. So if we have any adjustment then we have to use the inner column, otherwise directly use the outer column. Then right hand side asset, amount and amount. Now we are going to enter first furniture, because here we have three assets. There is no liability in opening liabilities. They didn't give anything, but only furniture 40,000, book for 20,000 they are given. Other than that, cash in hand, opening cash in hand they are given 3,200. So all the asset we are going to write one by one on asset side. First I am going to write the furniture, then I am going to write a book, then cash in hand. 40,000 furniture. So asset side we have to show this amount. Then book beginning book 20,000. Next we are going to write the book. Next we wrote a book 20,000. Only one thing is there, cash in hand 3,200. That also we are going to write on a asset side. Now I enter all the assets and asset side. There is no liability, so I didn't write anything on liability side. Then you know that 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 3,200, 63,200. So this is the highest value. Highest value we have to write both the side. For that I have to draw a two parallel line. Likewise the same line you have to draw a two parallel line and liability side also. So you have to fill 63,200 both the side. So this is a different here. If anything, if they are given a liability, then we have to show this amount on a liability. Then we have to find out the difference. But here the only asset only they are given. So all the asset we are enter in the asset side. So if you add all the three assets, we get 63,200. Now I enter all the 63,200 both the side. So 63,200 is a capital fund, because there is no liability on a beginning liability on a balance sheet, so that we are not showing anything on a balance sheet. So what is the value? 63,200. This value is a capital fund. So this is a balancing figure. This amount we have to show on the 63,200 on capital fund in liability side. Then after that we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. Now the balancing figure, capital fund, the balancing figure 63,200. So this amount we are going to show on the current balance sheet. While you are opening a current balance sheet, this amount you have to show on the liability side, 63,200. Next we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. For that I am going to open a format. Now format is ready. So left hand side DR, then income and expenditure account for the year end 31st March 2019. So in middle I have to write like that the format, and then expenditure, particular column I have to write the expenditure, and we have a two amount column, one is the inner column, another one is the outer column. We have adjustments, so we are going to use the inner column. Right hand side is the income and two amount column, one is a inner column, another one is outer column. Then CR, credit side, we mentioned the CR. Next, then now one by one we are going to write an expenditure side. First we are going to fill the expenditure side, then we are going to enter all the incomes on income side. So I just want to show the what are the expenses we are going to enter in the expenses side. So this is a book of Delhi Literary Club. Entrance fees, income side, subscription, income side, life membership fees, liability, interest received on fixed deposit, income side. Then sale of furniture. Sale of furniture is 25,000 minus 22,500, loss 2,500. This last 2,500 we are going to show on the expenditure side. Then expenses, rent and rate is 21,000. Lecturer fee 4,500, sundry expenses 7,200, fixed deposit asset, balance sheet, cash in hand balance, closing balance. This amount we are going to show on the liability side. Now first buy rent and rate 21,000. This one we are going to enter in a expenditure side. Rent and rates 21,000. Enter in a debit side. This one is a left hand side is a debit, right hand side is a credit. So left hand side I write it to rent and rates 21,000. Then what is the next item? Next item is lecturer fees. Lecturer fees and this sundry expenses. Lecturer fees 4,500, sundry expenses 7,200. So both item one by one we are going to enter. Lecturer fees 4,500, sundry expenses 7,200. Rent and rates, lecturer fees, sundry expenses. So next one, sale of furniture. Sale of furniture, loss. How can we find out the loss or profit? So we have to compare with the book value and sales value. So if your sales value is less than book value, it is a loss. If the selling price is more than book value, it is profit. So book value is 25,000, selling price is 22,500 only. So we are getting a loss. So loss amount we have to show on the expenditure side. If it is a profit, then we have to show this amount on a income side. So 2,500, this the different only we have to show on the expenditure side. Now I'm going to enter 2,500 on expenditure side. So debit side we have to write loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture. Because this is loss, so we have to mention in the expenditure side to loss on sale of furniture. So 25,000 minus 12,000, 22,500. The difference is 2,500. We are enter in a amount column. Then all the expenses we are enter in the expenditure side. Now we are going to enter income side one by one. Income side, entrance fees 2,300. Then subscription 46,000. Then interest received on fixed deposit. First one is entrance fees 2,300. This amount we are going to enter in a income side. Then subscription 46,000. Adjustment they are given. Subscription received in advance during the current year amount 1,000. This means a future year subscription we are received in current year. So from the subscription we have to minus this 1,000 from the subscription received in advance. We are going to minus from the total subscription amount. Then interest received on fixed deposit, that is also we are going to show on the income side. So entrance fees, subscription, interest received on deposit, these three items we are going to show on the income side. First one is entrance fee. So credit side, by entrance fees 2,300 we are right, we enter 2,300. Then subscription 46,000. From total subscription is 46,000. From this we are going to minus received in advance during the current year. We are receiving subscription current year for future year. Future year subscription we are received in current year. So this one we are going to minus from the total subscription. So total subscription is 46,000. Then received in advance 1,000. So if you minus 46,000 minus 1,000, we are getting a 45,000. This amount we have to show on the credit side. So now we minus the 1,000 rupees received in advance from the subscription. Now the total value is 45,000. Total subscription after deduct the received in advance for current year. Next, interest received on fixed deposit. So now I enter all the items on expenditure side and income side. So if you add income side and credit side and debit side separately. Now highest value I have to write both the side between the two parallel line. 47,800. So I have 47,800. 47,800 minus 35,200. 12,600 is a surplus. Excess income over surplus. Income excess of income over expenditure 12,200. 12,200 means this is a surplus because here expenditure is less than income is more than expenditure. We are getting a surplus. This surplus amount we have to transfer to balance sheet. Next we are going to prepare the balance sheet. So write a format. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Left hand side liability, right hand side is asset. Then what are the asset and liabilities we are going to enter? I want to show the amounts. Liability, life membership fees. Before that we found that capital fund. From the capital fund we are going to add the surplus of excess of income over expenditure. Then after that life membership fees. Here we don't have any other adjustment of life membership fees. That means any special fund. If it is any related to expenses related to any special fund or income related to any special fund, so expenses means we have to minus from the special fund. If it is income, then we have to add from the special fund. In this sum they didn't give any expenses and income, so directly we have to show the life membership fees on liability side. Then subscription received in advance current year amount 1,000 rupees. So this one also liability, because this is not related to the current year. This one for future year subscription, not a current year subscription. So this amount also we have to show this this 1,000 rupees we are going to show on a liability side. Then asset side, fixed deposit 40,000, cash in hand 4,300, fixed deposit 40,000, closing cash in hand 4,300, and beginning also they have a book worth 20,000. There is no any sale or additional asset purchase, book purchase. So whatever the amount we are shown in the beginning, the same value will be shown on the end also. 1 year opening, next year will be a closing. 1 year closing, next year will be a opening. So 20,000, and furniture 40,000 they are given. But out of 40,000 already we sell 22,500. I already we sold 22,500. So out of 40,000 already we sell 22,500. So remaining balance only we have to show on the asset side. So out of 40,000, yes, sold 22,500. So book already we sold 25,000 worth furniture. We already we sold out. So 40,000 minus 25,000. So this amount we have to show the difference. That means total value of furniture is 40,000. Out of 40,000 worth furniture, 25,000 worth furniture we sold out. So remaining 25,000 minus 40,000. So remaining amount only we have to show on a 15,000. This amount only we have to show on the asset side. Liability side, capital fund 63,200. So this 63,200 we find out through the opening capital fund. 63,200 capital fund. So this amount only we have to show on the liability side. From that 12,600 is a surplus. So the surplus in the sense we have to add from the capital fund. If it is a deficit, then we have to minus from the capital fund. So 63,200 plus 12,600, 75,800. Total value of capital fund is now 75,800. Now life membership fees 2,500 we are going to enter, and subscription receipt and advance 1,000 also we are going to enter in a liability side. In life membership also we don't have any adjustment. So directly I have to show this amount on a outer column. Subscription receipt in advance 1,000. So all the items I have entered in the liability. Now we are going to enter the asset side. Furniture. First one is furniture, book, then fixed deposit. Furniture 40,000. So total value of furniture is 40,000. Say furniture 40,000 and book 20,000. Beginning they have a 40,000 worth furniture, but out of 40,000, 25,000 furniture they sold out. So remaining 15,000 is there. So remaining 15,000 only closing balance of fixed asset. That means closing balance of furniture. So this amount only we have to show on the asset side. Then book 20,000, fixed deposit also they are given. Closing cash balance also they are given. So all the items we are going to enter in asset side one by one. Now we enter all the liabilities on liability side and all the assets on asset side. So original value of asset is now 15,000 only, because beginning we have a 40,000 worth of furniture. Out of 40,000 furniture, 20,000 worth furniture we sold out. So remaining 15,000 is now having a furniture. So out of 40,000, for 25,000 we sold out. Remaining furniture is 15,000. Then book value of closing book is 20,000. Then fixed deposit 40,000. Cash in hand closing 4,300. So now all the asset we are entering the asset side, all the liabilities we are entering the liability side. 75,800 plus 2,500. 75,800 plus 2,500 plus 1,000. If we add all these three things, we are getting a 79,300. 75,800 plus 2,500, 78,300. 78,300. 78,300 plus 1,000, 79,300 in liability side. Here furniture. So 15,000 plus 20,000, 35,000. 35,000 plus 40,000, 75,000. So 35 plus 40, 75,000. 75,000 plus 4,300, 79,800. So both the side we are getting a tally. So sum is correct. So both the side I have going to enter 79,300. If it is not tally, then you have to find out if you have made any mistake, then only we are getting the difference. Otherwise we are getting a equal amount on both the debit side and credit side. So asset and liability must be equal. So here also we are getting a same amount. So I am going to enter 7,900 on both the side. Now 79,300, 79,300. Likewise, you have to prepare the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, ask me children. Thank you.